Going to be exciting.
For sure. But for those that are traveling there, how's the weather looking?
Oh, it's been a busy morning, Kara, but I did have time to make a Canes Parade forecast graphic. So just for the folks, we'll talk about the nice weather over the weekend and then get into some messy stuff we can expect today and tomorrow. Here you go, Parade of Champions Saturday in downtown Raleigh for the Hurricanes. If you're headed out there to celebrate with all the other Caniacs, weather looks great. It's not going to be too humid, but of course, as the day goes on, it will get warmer. 70s in the morning, parade time at 11 o'clock should be in the low 80s and then a high around 90 for the afternoon. So yes, hot, but you don't have to worry about any rain. That was Raleigh. Here in the Triad, our weekend looks really nice too. Should be sunny, should be mainly dry. It is warm though, but humidity not too bad. Upper 80s on Saturday, near 90 on Sunday for Father's Day. So the weekend looks good, but as I mentioned, today and tomorrow, our weather's not quite as pretty. It's a little busier. We've got some active stuff to talk about. We're in for a hot, humid, and windy day today, and that'll also come with a risk for some scattered strong to severe storms this afternoon and evening. We're going to break that down and then also break down what the remnants of Arthur could bring for us early tomorrow morning to start Juneteenth. Speaking of Arthur, not a whole lot out there anymore. It's now post-tropical. It became a tropical storm yesterday around lunchtime at 11 a.m. and then now is post-tropical. It's lost the tropical characteristics and it only lasted about 12 hours. So a weak and short-lived storm, but it's going to be a big rainmaker, big heavy rain and flood risk for the deep south. Two different weather features at play here over the next couple of days that are kind of going to put the squeeze play on us and impact what happens locally. Number one is a front, a cold front approaching from the north and west. That's bringing some showers and storms to parts of the Ohio Valley. And the second is what's left of Arthur. These two are going to both kind of head our direction. One, that front brings us the storms today, and then Arthur with a little bit of rain overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. Here's that severe thunderstorm risk for this afternoon and evening. The entire state of North Carolina in a level 1 out of 5 risk, and then that level 2 slight risk to our north and parts of West Virginia and Virginia. Main concern with any strong to severe storm this afternoon and evening would be for damaging wind gusts. Could have some pretty strong gusts in those storms, but even outside of those storms, it's going to be a hot, humid, and windy day. Expect 25 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts throughout the day at times today, and some of those gusts within the storms could be stronger and bring down a few trees. Because of the hot, dry wind and with our drought conditions, fire danger is also elevated today. So outdoor burning, discouraged. It's going to be hot anyway. Don't want to spark up a bonfire or a fire pit outside this afternoon, not with heat like this. Temperatures, we've got a few locations in the 60s out west this morning, but it's warmer and more humid, low to mid 70s out there, and we're only going to get warmer from here. Highs reach the low 90s this afternoon with the wind, and then the storm chances start to increase probably about 2 to 9 p.m. today. That's our impact window when we'll want to watch for some scattered strong to severe storms. But again, first half of the day is dry. Near 90 for foothills this afternoon, and up in the mountains, low 80s. Again, 2 to 9 p.m., a good time frame to watch for those scattered storms to start developing. They'll first happen out west, mountains, foothills, and then try to work their way east a bit. Not everyone sees a storm this afternoon, but there will be a few out there. Then overnight tonight and early Friday morning, here's what's left of Arthur. Could have some showers out there early Friday, but some periods of rain, heavier rain possible. Does look like it'll move out pretty quickly during the day. So Friday afternoon looking dry, but the morning we could start with some showers. Most of the heavier rain from what's left of Arthur will be to our south, unfortunately, but we could still pick up maybe a 1/4 of an inch or a 1/2 an inch here in the Piedmont Triad, which of course with the drought conditions we will take. We get a drought update later on this morning, and we'll be sure to bring that to you on air and online when we can. So some showers, storms, a little rain possible today and tomorrow, less humid, and a nice Father's Day weekend. Highs in the 80s next week.